Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading, and today we're going to cover AMD, Nvidia, SMH, and SPX. Let's start with AMD real quick. Oh boy, AMD, this white trend line I thought was going to hold, but this downtrend, all the bad news, all the tariff, man. The next leg down just passed through this. So this is not looking too good, honestly. I mean, let this sink in for a second. We are down 63%. AMD, a stock that used to be a monster, is now a little B word. If this continues, I'm about to be a little B word. Oh man. But anyways, our next support is this red trend line right there, and we are about 5% away. This should be the limit of this current downtrend at a level 1, but obviously this downtrend can go all the way to level 5. So yeah, but the overall downtrend we've been on has been a level 1 the entire time. So let's see what happened. Anyways, let's check out Nvidia. Since this current downtrend is no longer relevant, let's clear out this chart real quick, and we should update that a little bit. I'm about to remove the orange measurement because it's not that relevant anymore. I believe right now we should focus on all the super long-term trend that mattered, where the market really got tested on Nvidia, because those are what's gonna hold. Anything small won't matter that much. So those will be the major support area. So if this continue on the downside, let's just say expect another 10 to 15% to the downside before we encounter a good area of major support. That means, my God, we gotta endure another 10 to 15% of this pain. Oh boy, that's gonna hurt. All right, now let's move on to SMH. So this current downtrend we are on clearly broke the level 2. Now let's see where it's at. Oh my God, we are at a level 6 downtrend right now on this January measurement. I really was hoping this white trend line would hold our support, but we just cut through that like butter. We need to see how much faster or further down this thing can go, because I just looked at futures today and it still looks pretty darn red. Oh boy. Well, we are pretty much exactly on the level 6 downtrend support line, so let's see what happens. I doubt it's gonna hold because it already seems like it's gonna be worse tomorrow. We'll see. Alright, now let's move on to SPX. So this downtrend measurement is also broken, so let's update this and see where we're at. So SPX is currently at a level 5 downtrend right now. So that's the bad news. The good news is we have another about, let's say, 2% to the downside. If we hit this area, it's very possible we might get a nice little bounce, because if you zoom out real quick, this highlighted purple line is at a level 2 uptrend from this peak to the 2020 crash. So we have used this trend line as support multiple times in the past, as you can see, 3 times already. So 4th time, it might fail, it might not, I don't know, but all I know is this is a major support line, so keep an eye on it. Just so we're not too stuck in the present, and this happened to be like recession level downtrend, because I don't have a crystal ball, I don't know the future, but if this is a recession level downtrend, I'm just gonna take a measurement from the 2009 to current. That way we know where we're at on that map. Because there's no crash in recent history that tested the market more than that period of time. The 2020 was great, but the problem was we just turned the money printer on and you know what happened next. So there's no guarantee that's what's gonna happen this time also, but something tells me that's what will happen, but I don't want to speculate. So let's take a measurement real quick of that. So at a level 5, we have another 3.4% to the downside until we touch this level. So if this purple trend line fails to hold as support, this green line will be the next level, and that should be like a super strong level if we touch it. Just remember, I don't have a crystal ball, but what I do know is The market can't go down forever. Eventually, we're gonna have to start bouncing back, trade sideways or trade up, but market don't go in one direction forever. So bears, I hope you enjoyed this moment, but sooner or later, it's gonna be bull moment again. Anyways, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.